Assalamu alaikum. I am a Naim Hassan. I have a degree in diploma in electrical engineer. I am from Mohakhali, Dhaka. My home district Rajshahi. I am a trainee engineer at TVM Signaling and Transportation System Industry Private Company Limited. I work on designing and supporting railway signaling system, including electronics interlocking, circuit design, simulation and project documentation. My roles involves AutoCAD, Duffling system configuration, and technical coordination to ensure efficient and safe railway operation. I sometimes write poems, stories and songs. Mentoring, school sanitation and hygiene training, scouting, student action group training inspire him to write down. My first poems, Maoga, was published in 2020. I have some books in my collection in this name. নির্বাচিত শতকবিতা কাব্যনীরে কবিদল 52 থেকে 71 সুর হারানো প্রেম সত্যবাণী only one stories books name is আয়নার বাক্স. I have a personal YouTube channel. Here I publish my written poems and stories thought voice over videos. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Have a great day.